Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of input-output tables. This is standard 4.5b in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 10 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we have a rule here. They give it to us nice and clear. We have a -4 rule. So let's write that right here. So we're going to subtract 4 is used to show the relationship between, and then we've got two things here, the position of a number and the value of that number. Okay, so the position and the value. All right, so we've got, and you notice, take a look, all of our tables have got positions and values, but they don't necessarily have them next to each other. There's a middle column. But the relationship is supposed to be between the position and the value. And so how are we going to get from our position to our value? Well, it says the rule -4 is used to show the relationship between these two. So this -4, that's what gets us from our position to our value. All right, so let's take a look at this. We need to find the table that shows this relationship. And let's just think, if we take the position and we subtract 4, because that's our rule, we should get the value. So let's start looking at A, and we'll see what we're dealing with. So we've got 4 positions here. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to write those down right here. I'm just going to put them right here. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so if I -4 each of these, I should get 10 minus 4 is 6, 11 minus 4 is 7. We're just going up by 1, so that's 8, and that's 9. But look, they've got the 4s just sitting right there at the value. And the expression, it's the 10 minus, but they didn't follow the pattern. The pattern is -4. But what they did is they just took this and they subtracted something. It's different every single time to get to a value of 4, but the rule is supposed to be -4, not the final value. So this doesn't work because that's not how input-output tables work anyways. You're supposed to have a common rule. You add something, you multiply something, you subtract something in this case. So that doesn't work. All right, so let's look at B here. So I'm going to put B. This is A. Let's put B right here. So that's interesting. It's just 4 all the way down. So if that's my position, and my rule is I'm supposed to subtract 4 from each of them, I should get zeros all the way down. The position doesn't change. But take a look. They do have the -4 all the way down, so that's a check. But they're not subtracting it from the position. See this 5, this 6, this 7? If those were right there, then this would be fine. That would be fine if the position changed from 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. It doesn't. The position stays at 4 all the way down. So I don't know where the 4, 5, and 6, I know where the 4 is coming from, but the 5, 6, and 7, I don't know where that's coming from. So that doesn't work either. Let's take a look at C. All right, so we're going to do C right here. And all right, we've got different positions, at least 4, 8, 12, 16. Right, the rule is -4. So we should get values of 0, 4, 8, and 12. But look, they put those values right there to get to a value of 4. So they're not following the rule. It should be a -4. So if these were swapped, once again, this would be fine. So this is another incorrect answer. It's close, but let's see. I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, -4. I should get 6, 7, 8, and 9. Look at that. Finally, we subtracted 4. We got what we needed. Our answer is D.